Hello, everyone. This is Mark. Hey, the pandemic is over, and houses are starting to slowly come back on the market. Starting to have a few more to pick from, and excuse me. So people are starting to look, and so a couple things to do. Number one, go to your lender. We use Chris and JJ at Rapid Mortgage quite often. They seem to be really helpful and friendly. But when you go there, make sure you get approved financially. It's just not a pre-approval letter, but get approved. And also find out what your costs are going to be. Make sure they can run FHA, VA, conventional, and they can come up with some estimates on the cost for the loan. And they can include like closing costs so that you have an idea of what you will need to bring to the table when you close. So then drive some neighborhoods, see what areas you want to look, and it doesn't do you any good to make an appointment, go through a walkthrough, you get there, and it's not an area that you want to look because it's next to the freeway, it's next to a noisy factory, it's next to a pond, it's next to a busy street. So do some driving around the neighborhood, pick out your areas, talk with your friendly realtor, and if you've used one in the past, we always appreciate loyalty. There's about 10,000 realtors here in Central Ohio, so you have a lot to pick from. So do your due diligence with the lender, drive the area, sit down with your whoever you're buying the house with, your family, and determine what type of home you're looking for, what type of land, what type of area, which school district, and where you want to live, how close it is to work, to family. And that way, when you talk with your realtor, you can give him or her some parameters so they can send you lots of homes that are for sale. Visit open houses is a great place to see what is actually there. Because sometimes when you look at the pictures on the MLS or on Realtor.com and you go to the house, it's like that is not the house that was on the pictures. So just have some humor. Things happen. And have any questions? Give me a call. If you like this video, please hit like, send me a message, and we'll go from there. Thanks.